Hello guys, before I start a new kit, I want to show you a way where I find a quite rare model kits that may not be longer be available, or too expensive, or out of stock for a long time. All they can be found at Japanese auctions. However, not all Japanese auctions offer overseas shipping, but there is a way to get the goods you want despite these restrictions. I want to share my tool which I often use, a shopping service, Buyee. So here you see the main page of this series. Now I will show you how to use it, and also together with you I will make one of my orders. This series allows you to buy from the Yahoo auction and from some web stores. To get started you need to create an account. To create it you need to click in the register button. If you need to change the language you can select the one you need from this menu. So let's sign up. Enter your email address in this field and click register. After that, check your email. There will be instructions for complete the registration. After that, you will be able to log into your personal account using your username and password. On the personal page, you need to fill in your delivery address and choose payment that will be used to pay. In the Edit User Information section, you need to fill in your name, country, zip code, home address and other fields. In the Delivery Address section, you can specify one or more delivery addresses. In the Payment Method section, you must specify the payment method. It could be a credit card or PayPal. I use PayPal for convenience. Now that all the data is filled in, and you can start shopping or bidding at the auction. We are primarily interested in the Yahoo auction. Hundreds of new lots appear on it every day, and maybe there is a model that you have been hunting for so long. So let's go to the auction section. Here you can see a lot of categories in which you can find thousands of products in different categories. We are interested in plastic models. They can be found in the Toys and Games category in the Plastics Model section. They will also be available in the Hobbies and Crafts section under Plastic Models. And look, there are now 155,000 lots on display. We need to refine the search. We find cars in the list of categories on the left. Here you can also refine the search by type of car. Sports, civil, and so on. You can specify further by brand name. Also, you can refine your search through the search bar. As the item names are in Japanese, the keywords must also be in Japanese. The most useful keywords for search I left in the description below. For example, you are a fan of the Ferrari brand. You can choose from Ferrari category. And now the list has been updated. It can be sorted by different criteria such as price, auction end time and so on. Let's see, for example, a lot with a Ferrari from Tamiya. We see such information as a current price. Here is the end of time of the auction, and you can see that 2 bets have already been made. If you like the model, you can add it to your wish list. To do this, click on the star and it will turn yellow. You can find the wishlist on the watchlist page by clicking on this button. I already have a few items on the list that I have found so far. This lot is my favorite, and it now has a starting bid of 4,500 yen, or can be bought immediately for the price of 10,000 yen. Each lot has a description that can be translated into the language you need. Here the seller describes the imperfect condition of the boxes. It seems to me that this lot is worth the money, so I'll bet. To do this, I click the place bid button. Okay, in this field you need to set the rate. I am willing to spend, for example, 6,000 yen. I also refuse additional insurance for the parcel because I trust the seller. Please note that the final price also includes a service fee. We complete the bid by clicking on the complete button. The bid has been placed. Now you can see that the current price is 4,500 yen and I am the leader. In your account on the information page you can see the status of rates. So I made a few more purchases. Now we will wait until the auction will finished. After some time, so we have won some auctions. On the won tab you can see an overview of the won lots. Here we have information about the delivery status. When the seller sends the package, the status will be updated to shipped. As soon as the parcel arrives at the Buyee warehouse, the arrived at warehouse status will be activated. Now let's wait for the next update. A few time has passed and I see that all the goods have arrived at the warehouse. Next I go to the package information page. In the In Storage tab you can see all the lots that are in stock. Here for example one lot. It has a storage time of 30 days. Since I have several purchased items, I want to combine them into one large package. Extra protective package can be added. Often used when shipped is by surface. Now I select all lots. Now click on Add Package Consolidation. Here we have a list of goods that are subject to consolidation. Choose a delivery address. Consolidation fee will be 1000 yen. Now I have to confirm the consolidation. The information is updated and we see that the consolidation is in progress. Let's wait until it will be done. So the parcel was repacked. Before I choose a shipping method, I want to use a coupon. It can be found on the coupon page here. I have one coupon for international shipping. You can also get a coupon for 2000 yen. You can see the activation code from me below in the description of the video. I follow the link and click on the Get Your Coupon button. Now I can choose a shipping method. Unfortunately, I have only one delivery method available because my parcel is big and heavy. At the bottom of the page you can select an activated coupon. After that you can click checkout. Now the package has moved to the delivery status. All that remains for us is to wait for the mail call. For some time the package arrived and the lots I won are on my table. I look forward to your comments and suggestions on what to do with these boxes and whether I should assemble them on the channel. Thank you all and good luck in bidding on Japanese auctions. Bye.